our newest listing at 45 Narragansett Boulevard, right here in Chicopee, Massachusetts.
Come with us and let's go take a tour.
This fully updated property features an eat-in kitchen with white cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and granite countertops. With 3 nicely sized bedrooms, an incredible bath, hardwood floors, and main floor laundry room. You don't want to miss this one. Sitting on a corner lot, you'll find a beautiful deck, plenty of on-site parking, the perfect location for entertaining family and friends. Hey guys, thanks so much for stopping by.
We'll see you at the next one.